強いくしゃみがチャームポイントです。オッケー。There we are! Moco-chan, 気持ち悪い。あれちゅばちゅば。Gross! Gross! I'm beside you, Moco-chan. I'm beside you. This shouldn't be happening. What about the food safety? What about the food safety? Enjoy your sneeziado. Yeah, okay, now up there. Happy in the face. Why? Okay.
I see you're wearing the enemy field uniform. Looks pretty good on you.
Cut it out. Enough that I'm dripping with sweat, wondering if somebody's gonna see through my disguise.
Don't worry. Quit being so sensitive. At least your walk won't give you away.
My walk? What do you mean, my walk?
Nothing. Forget I said it. I'd worry more about the fact that the uniform's a little small for you. It just might come off when you bump into it. Normally, a proper fitting uniform is issued to a soldier. You're just going to have to fit your movements in the uniform.
Bow bow.
Yeah, 僕濡れたろう。
実はね。Is it necessary to sneeze that often? You don't know me, yeah. I don't even know how, but now I'm just used to it. Don't use complaining.
わ、これが最後のお題だね。
Bow! Bow! Bow!